Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Readers. This day I am here with a beautiful granny square pattern which is titled Sew Thistle Square, and it comes under the convertible crochet. First we make in the circular pattern and then convert it into a square, and it is of intermediate level as we use different varieties of stitches to make this particular piece, like this particular stitch pattern. Okay, so let us go into the video without much delay friends. Chain 6, slip stitch to the first chain and join to form a ring. So, and inside this ring we are going to place 12 DCs and 12 chain 1 spaces. So 12 DCs separated by 12 chain 1 spaces. The first may be chain 3. If you make chain 3, make one more chain, 4 chains, DC, chain 1, DC 11 times. Okay, so I am going to make my standing twisted double, pull up the loop to a height, twist and hold, doesn't matter, and then insert the hook into the ring, pick up the loop, pick up the yarn, bring it out. Now yarn over, pull through the first loop and behind the twisted loop here and twist it up. Now yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1, a double, chain 1, a double. So continue this stitch pattern, chain 1 double, for to have 12 doubles in all and 12 chain 1 spaces. I shall make and complete and get back to you. I completed round 1. I have 12 double crochets. Now the 12th chain I am making here and slip stitching to the first double crochet that I made here. This loop will be to the side because this is chain 1. Insert the hook, pick up under these 2 loops. These 2 loops you have to pick up correctly. This is the loop wherein you have to slip stitch. Now slip stitch to the chain space. In this second round you're going to make 3 DC cluster, chain 3, 3 DC cluster in every chain 1 space. In every chain 1 space you're going to have 3 DC cluster and 3 separated by 3 chains in between them. So let us make the first cluster. First cluster can be made with chain 3, 2 incomplete DCs and complete the stitch, or make a incomplete standing double. Don't finish off here. One more incomplete double and the third incomplete double, and now completed. This is our first cluster, 3 DC cluster done. Chain 3 and 3 DC cluster in the next. So henceforth it is just 3 incomplete doubles and complete. So place the rest of the 3 DC clusters with chain 3 spaces. I shall also complete and get back to you. I've come to the end of this cluster 3 DC cluster round. Now we have to chain 3 and close the second round, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to chain 1 and place a half double crochet in the very first stitch here, very first cluster, so that I bring the chain yarn, working yarn, to the center of this space. Okay, now chain 1 and make a single crochet in the space. We are going to work under this chain 3 space for the next round. Chain 5, if you are using solid colors you can change color at this particular point. I am using a self-striping yarn, so it's taking its own color changes. So again chain 5, one single in the next chain space. Chain 5, single in the next chain 3 space. So continue this round in this manner and complete it. I shall also complete and get back. I've come to the end of this third round here. Now we'll have to chain 5 and slip stitch to complete this round, and if you want to change color, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to chain 2 and make a double in the first single crochet so that I get the yarn into the center of the space. So chain 2 and a double crochet in the first single crochet here. So now the yarn has come to the center. Chain 1 and place a single crochet here. In this round we are going to convert this circular motif into a square motif, and this is the final round. Okay. So single crochet, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain space. Now we are going to work a corner, chain 1, 5 doubles, chain 3, 5 doubles in the next chain space. So 5 doubles, chain 3 and 5 doubles, all in this chain space. If you want, you can modify this corner stitches also, like you can place 1 double, you can place 2 double cluster, again 2 double cluster and 1 double, and whatever you want you can make the corner appear and beautify the corner. I am doing the simplest of placing the double crochets, 5 double crochets, chain 3, 5 double crochets, chain 1 again to go over to the next side. We began with this side and we have done one corner. Go to the next side, chain 1 from this corner stitch, place a single crochet in the immediate next chain space. Now chain 5, place a single crochet in the next chain space. So this has become the second side here. So this is the corner and the side here. Next is going to be another corner. So chain 1, place 5 double crochets, chain 3, 5 double crochets again, chain 1, single crochet here, chain 5, single crochet here, again another corner, and continue the stitch pattern all around for this particular round, and slip stitch to the very first single crochet that you have done and fasten off. So I shall complete and get back to you. Here we go, we have completed the sew thistle square under granny square. It also comes under the convertible granny squares, as I told before, and the circle is converted into a square for the final round, and you can expand this to any size you like. Only thing is, in the centers these chain spaces will differ. In the corners you'll always have to do 5 doubles, chain 3, 5 doubles. Okay friends, hope you like the small effort and this video and the stitch. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share them too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, friends. Bye for now. Have a great day.